Okay. Please dance. No, 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 no. Not completed. Please go for dancing. One song.
How to confident is stage courage. Stage courage is improve skills. Confidently speak in the whole populations. Demography is
Demography, population, census. Why are you scared? Please come. Come. Hi. Hi. Hi, Tanaji.
am I give question on this?
I don't know. You... Okay. So today we are going to have a fun interaction in which you all are going to just ask questions, and the candidate who answers to my question, I will be keep asking you some of the questions. I will be asking you directly questions and you have to answer me by asking again question. Example, if I ask where are you from, you should not say I am from particular district. If I ask you what are you doing, you should not say that I am in the class. Those who answers to my question, they will be disqualified, and those all the candidates who get disqualified, they have to stand on the stage and they have to give a public speaking speech. They have to stand there, and when he or she stands on the stage and all the audience will come closer to him or her, they have to look very aggressively, and he or she has to manage all the audience and has to give good public speaking speech. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will start with, are you low confident? No. You are feeling well, right? Are you low confident?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Are
sir.
you low confident?
No, sir.
He is giving answer. Again, I will start. Say, I am starting only the questions. Are you low confident?
Why you are asking this question?
Are you low confident?
Why are you asking this questions?
I am asking this question because I want to know whether you are confident or not. Are you low confident? Are you low confident?
No.
You have to come here now. Please come. Please come on the stage. Okay, fine. Okay, now give a speech. Take it. Come closer. All will come closer. Come on. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is
Can you
Kav.
start from us?
Huh. They have to just look at her. Huh.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kaveri. Now I am discussion with you, a public speaker. Public speak is a very important in everyone, and speak is when I go in and when I study in. Speak is very important. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you. How was it?
Why you are asking this question?
How was it?
Who told you ask this question?
Where are you now?
Why do you want?
I actually want this because I want to know where are you, because I am very much interested on you.
Why should I tell?
Why should I not ask you? Why should I not ask you?
Why should you want to ask?
Okay, I want to ask, what are you learning here?
Not
What are you learning?
not learning.
Come here. Come on, come closer and just stare at him. Take it. Come on. Discipline.
Hello everyone. My name is Karthik. Discipline is very important in life.
Huh.
It gives us discipline.
Discipline gives us discipline.
Gives us
Okay. Please dance. No, 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 not completed. Please go for dancing. One song. Fantastic dancer you are. Thank you so much for your dance. At least belly dance it was. Hi. Hi.
Why are you asking me?
I said hi. I'm not asking you anything. Hi. Are you hungry?
Why do you ask me?
I'm asking you because I have brought jalebis, samosas, and gulam jamuns for you. Okay, come here. I don't want jalebis. This is answer. You have to give a speech or else you have to dance. Please take it. Come closer, everybody. Come here. Okay.
Myself, Arun Kumar. I came from Gadag. I'm currently studying in my 5th semester of my degree. I don't know what I have to say next.
You have to say something. Even I don't know what you are going to say next.
I don't have any words at this time.
But you are speaking now.
Sir,
Speak.
speak about public
No, speak about public speaking or speak about your competitive preparation. For what you are preparing?
I am preparing for UPSC.
Huh. Speak loudly.
I am preparing for UPSC from 2024.
Come here.
Still I am preparing for that exam. I want to have that job to serve my nation.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Come here. Hi. What's your name?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? He is asking me. I'm asking him what's your name. What's your name? I asked.
Why my name?
Why my name? Because I want to add your name on this banner of public speaking. Come here. Where are you now? May I know? Where are you now?
I am not.
I am not. Okay. For him, there is no option either to dance or sing or give a public speech. He has to just dance. Only one option. Come here. Okay. I will leave it on you. Should he give a speech or dance? Public speech you want to give. Please come. Come closer.
Hello everyone.
Huh.
My name is Mantesh.
Huh.
English
What
is
to do? If your name is Mante, then what to do? Huh.
English is international language.
Huh.
Is help
Huh.
help is
Help is English. Huh,
Yeah.
come on.
it is help is many people.
Come here. Now speak. Speak.
Any people.
Hmm.
I wanted to.
I wanted.
I want learn English.
Okay,
speak.
fine. Come here. Hi.
Hi sir.
How are you? Come here. I am public speaker. Come
Hi.
closer.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Hi. Good evening.
ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳು.
I speak to confident.
I speak to confidence.
I
I speak about confidence.
I speak about confident. How to confident is stage courage. Stage courage is improve skills. Confidently speak in the whole populations. Demographies.
Demography, population, census.
Speaks to confidently and skill improve. How to skill improve in stage courage and hold to eye contact in public speaker. And next is skills body structure is correct skill improve and hold to is looking eye contact to speak, sir.
Hi. Hi. May I know your name?
Skill motive.
Come here. I asked him, may I know your name? And he says, skill motive. Come. Please give a. Hey, come closer. Come, everybody. Yes. Huh.
Good morning everyone.
Hey, good evening, everyone.
Good evening everyone.
You don't have that authority to change the nature. Huh? Huh.
Good evening everyone. My name is Karthik. Discipline is very important in life.
Again, you are talking about discipline. Already you have spoken about discipline. Please change the matter. See. He is so happy because he wants him to dance. Can you both dance together? No. Come on. Speak about what should be the topic? Speak about Karnataka. Speak about Karnataka. Take your topic Karnataka. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. See, they are supporting you. The Congress supporters and BJP supporters all are supporting to Congress now.
I am in state in Karnataka.
I am in state in Karnataka.
I am staying Karnataka.
I am staying in Karnataka. Or I stay in Karnataka.
I stay in Karnataka. In 31 district.
बोलो भारत माता की जय. बोलो कर्नाटक माते की. Hi. Why are you scared? Please come. Come. Hi. Hi. Hi Tanaji.
Am I give question only, sir?
I don't know. You know the theme of the today's session. Hi Tanaji.
Why are you asking I, sir?
Because I just met you and I have learnt in the communication that whenever we meet people or meet other, we have to just greet them. I am greeting you. Hi Tanaji.
Are you greeting me?
Yeah, I am greeting you. How are you today? By the way, after a long time, where were you?
How can I say? How can I explain about the stay?
Because you have to explain. You are preparing for competitive exam. May I know which exam you are going to crack now?
Am I? Why are you on, sir?
No. Still, no. Huh.
He is not disqualified.
Yeah, he was trying to raise question.
Yes.
Huh. May I know which exam you are going to crack now?
Why should you know? Want to know?
I want to know because I want to support you with your preparation. Do you need any kind of preparation from me? Come on. Do you need any kind of support for your preparation?
How can I say? I have lot of questions about asking of you. How can I say?
You can ask me directly, sir. I want you to sit with me in the library.
It's in which time? In which time? Or morning or evening? When you are going free?
I will be free completely whole day for you 24/7. I will be completely free. I don't conduct classes. I do nothing. So tomorrow can you come in the morning to ask those questions?
Can you message me morning?
Wow, you are very sharp. Hi Akshata. Come here. Come. Hi, how are you?
Why are you asking this?
I am asking this because I am greeting you. Should I not greet you?
It is not necessary for me.
Please come here. It is not necessary to answer. It is not necessary. You should have said, is it necessary? Okay, fine. So now this speech is going to be one of the powerful speeches today. Akshata is going to give. Please, Akshata, present yourself with powerful body language, your voice modulation. Go for it.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
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 Today I am going to explain about how to learn English. So how I start learning English, because I don't know anything about English, as you know already. That's why I came to here.
I came to here. Is it a right statement? I am came to here. I came here.
I came here. Okay.
Come on.
I came here, so I learned so many things about how to speak with others and how to communicate with others. Before I don't know how to communicate with others, but now I know,
Focus.
but I know how to communicate with others. Yes. And if you want to learn English, you should speak in English. That's it. That's enough.
That's
To
the
learn-
formula. Wow. If you want to learn English,
Speak English.
if you want to speak English, you
You
have
should
to.
Speak in English. That's it.
Who
That is
said
the
this
first.
to you, man?
You.
मेरा फॉर्मूला मेरे साथ.
Sir, I am following you, sir.
Wow,
Don't
wow.
say.
You are follower of Rahul sir.
Yes.
Yes, obviously.
We are a student of your subject.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
We obey your all way of
Instructions.
Not only
Guidance.
instructions, the way are your lifestyle also.
Wow.
I liked
Wow,
your
no.
lifestyle, so
Okay,
that's
stop.
why I am following.
Please. Huh. What? When did you observe? When did you observe? Come here. When did you observe that I have creative mind? Can you please stand?
I daily observe that.
Come here. Please come faster. Okay. Now, Akshata, stand with her,
Yes, sir.
support her, cooperate her. Yes, give speech.
What matter?
I don't know what's the matter. Ask Akshata.
Okay. How are you, Akshata?
Hey, don't communicate with Akshata. Give a speech.
Okay.
Come on.
Sister?
Yes. You all come please closer.
Hold your mic. You don't look that camera.
Huh.
I'm not looked at, but
Look only Akshata and all the students standing before you.
That's it. You hold mic in left hand.
Huh.
That's
okay.
Huh.
Then you introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Like I am Kaveri.
Okay.
Not like I am Kaveri.
Sir.
No, she said now. I am Kaveri. What is this?
Sir, see my sister, sir. She's kidding me.
Okay, fine, do it. Yes.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Hmm.
My name is Kaveri.
Hmm.
I am come from Belgaum district. Now I am live in Dharwad. I am prepared.
Preparing.
Okay. I am preparing for. Just a minute. Okay. I am preparing for competitive exams. Now I am prepared banking exam in cooperative banking exam.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Hi. Come. Hi, Tanaji. I don't think too much, yaar. You are thinking too much. Overthinking. Tanaji, may I know what is the secret of learning English?
I'm a good learner. Am I a good learner?
Am I a good learner? Because I want to know, and all the students want to know, what is the best way to learn English language very quickly. Please help
Is
me.
it necessary to learn language?
Yeah, it is very necessary to learn English language because nowadays in this world it has become an integral part to learn. So may I know how did you learn English?
Can you say a few things about
Huh.
how
You
to
don't go
learn
back.
English?
Huh?
Can you say a few things about how to learn English?
English can be learned when you give us guidance.
Why
Can you
should
please
I-
suggest us something?
Why should I give suggestion? I am not good enough in that field. I am in a middle path.
So when did you start learning it?
Why should I start? I never start.
I
Never. Why should I start? That's complete.
Hi. Hi Arun. Hi Hi Arun. Hi Arun. Come here. Come. It's your turn now. Arun, can you please tell us what are we doing?
Why are you asking me all this?
I am asking this to you because I want to know whether you are conscious or unconscious.
Why do you want that?
Why do I want that?
Why do you want?
Wow, good question. I want to know.
Why do you know? Why do you want to know?
Yes, I am saying that. I want to know just because I am desiring it to be known.
Why are you desire art? Why are you desire that?
Why? Wow. Tanaji and you. Very intelligent people you are. Now, Arun, can you please tell me what is there on your chest on this t-shirt? Again, he says me that.
Yes.
Why are you asking? The same question. Why are you asking? Huh.
Instead of voice.
Huh. Yes. What is there on your chest on this t-shirt?
I didn't listen, sir. Ask me.
What is there on your t-shirt on your chest? Which logo is that? Which logo is that? Say fast.
I'm struggling, sir.
I am stucking, sir. Okay, I'll change the question.
Yes, sir.
May I know who is it?
Why do you?
I want to know because he's standing with me. I should know who all are standing beside or around me. Now, I want to know in which class you are studying. Have you completed your bachelor's
I'm not
degree?
studying. Yes.
I'm not studying. Okay, please. Now this time he has to speak so loudly. Come here. Okay, speak so loudly.
About, sir?
I don't know what you are going to talk about. You seem so nervous. Why? Confusion. Confusion.
I have many words, sir, to speak.
Huh.
Now I am nervous, sir.
What do you say to him? Because he is saying that he has so many things to disclose. He has so many things to express, but at the moment he is feeling nervous.
Yes, sir.
What do you say to? Huh.
Just say stay 2 minutes calm. Then analyze what we should start. Keep it in a proper way.
See, be positive. Change mindset.
Don't use the camera.
Huh.
Sir, he wants suggestion. Yeah.
He does not want any suggestions. I want you to motivate him to overcome from this nervousness. Huh. Because they all are speaking very good. Your friends. You don't worry about it at all.
I will speak, sir.
Huh. Speak loudly. Huh.
You can.
Before I came here, I am struggling to speak English.
I was struggling to speak English.
I was struggling to speak English. After learning here, I will speak very fluently because of Rahul sir.
You
Now-
did not attend all the classes.
Now I can speak fluently because I know how to speak.
Hmm.
I know how to speak without grammar.
But little bit some stage fear that is there, and that should
I
be
have
removed.
stage fear.
Hmm.
In
Upcoming days.
upcoming days, I remove that fear from myself.
May I know what will you do to remove it?
I will ask suggestion from you, sir.
Huh. See, my suggestions or your suggestions are not going to help him. He has to practice by standing on the stage practically. That's the only way to overcome. Because just before she has said that to speak English, the only formula
Is
speak English.
we must think in
That's it.
English and we must speak in English.
Another quotation that he has added: you must
Think in English.
think in English and speak in English. Who has said this?
You, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. And be confident.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what common thing when we start learning something new. It is very common thing because you all started like this. I know that Tanaji also started like this only. You started like this only. All of your journey captured in our YouTube. You can go and watch your initial videos, how you were, and how you are. Those days you had need of motivation. Now you are motivating others to motivate others. Changes. Time changes people. It's cycle. Time changes people. Yes, obviously. Okay. The only regret of mine today, because I couldn't find Tanaji. Yaar. Only regret of mine today. And okay, Tanaji, we shall again meet in our next session. Upcoming classes. We shall definitely go for the next session in our upcoming classes. So be ready for that.
Okay.
Come. I never let go. Don't worry. Come, Tanaji.
I thought that you are concluding this session, sir. That's
I was
why
not concluding. I was not concluding.
Those
Whatever that
sentences
might
are
be.
concluding sentences.
Whatever that might be. You know, I just said that I couldn't find Tanaji and Tanaji was found. Tanaji, your powerful speech. Just before 30 seconds, I was feeling so regret.
Actually, I didn't prepare, so I speak whatever words and thoughts came in mind. I express those thoughts. Today we are going to discuss about public speaking. As you heard, right? Public speaking. Many people many people thought many people finds it's a challenge, very challenging. It's nothing but expressing our thoughts in a proper manner. That thoughts is going to be understood by audience. In public speaking, we not only expressing our thoughts. In public things, many lot of things are included, like voice modulation, body language, and the way of walking in the dais. And in voice modulation, we raise our voices wherever it needed. Yes, you can stare me.
Stare at me.
I have that.
I am
stamina
lion.
to-
I am not scared.
I have dare to face that.
Face everybody.
Yes.
Hmm.
And in that, many people initially found that public speaking, they found that fear of mistake, because everyone makes mistake. Because sir also have did many mistake in their initial few days, but now sir is a 100% 100% perfect in speaking English. Sir, you can stare me, sir. I can manage this audience, sir.
Look at me also. You know, I'm feeling so bad. You can ask him why. He is ignoring me.
So it's a
Please,
part of public speaking.
I'm
sir.
requesting,
It's a
do
part
not
of
ignore.
public If you are seeing normally, means I can manage. I can see you, sir. You are staring me, sir. At that time, I can't focus others, sir. Means something.
At least for a single fraction of second. At least show some sympathy.
You are staring like this, sir. How can I? Words will not come, sir, in my mind while you.
So
staring
that's
me.
the reason I'm staring at you. You should not speak.
No, now I am contacting with you.
Wow.
Sir. I contacting.
Because you are lion. You are a great public speaker.
No. At
Of
present,
future.
I am not, but future I will.
I
become.
said of future.
For becoming great leader, public speaking plays major role, because public speaking plays major role because to become leader, we express our thought to whole public. In that, if public understand what we are saying, our thoughts, if they understood, means they support us, they give support to us to become great leader. And I will do try like this only. I will grab this opportunity for upcoming classes also. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much.